This is a brand new disc. Let's play it. It's working. Now, I use the sandpaper to scratch it. Look, it's heavily damaged. Now, let's try to play it again. It doesn't work. With this scratch removal machine, it only takes 10 seconds to restore the play function. Okay, let's play it again. Yes, the play function is back. However, there are still some light scratches on it. Let's repair again. Only 10 more seconds will make it just like a new one. Take a look. With Sinotech disc scratch removal machine, you will restore a damaged disc to a like new condition. If the scratches are deeper, please use green or red cream to repair first, and then follow the steps demonstrated previously. You still can get the disc repaired like new.